Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, and above you will search about Telegram and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.